Hi, I'm Peter Bieberstein, and I'm a personal injury attorney with Price Benowitz. Fosamax is a medication recommended for the treatment of osteoporosis, particularly in postmenopausal women. Due to some of the dangers with this prescription drug, it's had to change the labeling regarding side effects on 2 separate occasions since entering the market in 1995. These edits, at the prompting of the Food and Drug Administration, feature warnings of possible adverse reactions, such as femur fractures and rotting jawbones. One of the side effects associated with Fosamax is esophageal ulcers. These ulcers of the esophagus begin with a burning sensation along the esophageal region. The pain can outlast for hours, and relief is usually only temporary. Often, treatment for esophageal ulcers includes hospitalization, and according to the FDA, drugs like Fosamax can increase a person's potential for cancer of the esophagus. Another serious side effect, Stevens-Johnson syndrome, has been reported by some patients of Fosamax. This condition affects the skin and the body's mucous membranes. At first, sufferers of Stevens-Johnson syndrome may notice symptoms that are similar to the flu. Then a painful rash that will appear, usually red or purple in color. That rash will spread and culminate in blisters, and eventually the skin starts to die and peel off. With such serious conditions, those suffering from Stevens-Johnson syndrome usually have to be hospitalized, and recovery can take months. Associated with Stevens-Johnson syndrome, toxic epidermal necrolysis can also be very serious and is potentially life-threatening. Known to be caused by reactions to medications like Fosamax, toxic epidermal necrolysis is an extremely painful illness that can lead to death. Fosamax has also been known to cause an ailment called uveitis. Uveitis is the inflammation of 3 different portions of the eye and includes symptoms of increased sensitivity to light, blurred and spotty vision, and bloodshot eyes. Uveitis is an affliction that requires immediate medical attention so that the inflammation can be controlled with proper medication. One highly serious side effect associated with Fosamax is osteonecrosis of the jaw. The disorder is extremely rare and is more likely to occur in those who have had previous oral surgery. Patients who suffer from this condition will have a noticeably visible exposed area of their jawbone. The injury does not heal on its own, and there currently are no effective medical treatments available. The side effects associated with Fosamax can outweigh the benefits for many patients. In some cases, the resulting ailments are incurable. If you or a loved one is suffering from any of the conditions described above, you may be entitled to receive monetary compensation. Contact a DC Fosamax lawyer to explore a potential claim. A dedicated personal injury lawyer who has extensive experience litigating bad drug cases can help ensure that you receive the compensation you deserve for any harms and losses that you may have suffered due to the drug Fosamax.